Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this part of video we will see how to write test cases for manual testing, and we are considering a web-based application to write our test cases. So test case writing can also be referred to as test design or test authoring. So we use these terminologies in software industry. So when any resource in the software industry is responsible for writing test cases manually, it means that they are designing the test cases or they are authoring the test cases. So apart from that, whenever you're considering any application for test case design, you have to have an IDE where you are writing the test cases. So you have test trail and you have X-ray plugin in Jira, but when you have started writing test cases initially, you can refer Excel sheet as well, because initially it will be a good practice to write your test cases in Excel sheet. So I have a template here on my screen. It has test case ID, test summary and description, test data, and then it has test step and it has test status. So these are the most important or required columns or fields which we need to consider while designing test cases. So when you are designing test cases, you will start adding the test cases one by one, looking at the application or the acceptance criteria provided to you by product owner. So in this case, you will start incrementing your test case ID. You will have your test summary here, and then the data using which you will perform that test, and you can mention the test steps as well, how you can navigate from start to end. And then the status, where status is required for execution. So this is the template which we usually follow in any of the software industry. And I'll also show you the application for which we are trying to write the test cases. So this is a Tools QA site, and we are going to use the demo site of Tools QA. It has certain forms and elements using which we can practice certain exercises. So yeah, we are going to use this form as a source of practice. It has radio buttons, input boxes, check boxes. So we can refer this site for writing manual test cases in our Excel sheet. So let's meet in our next part of writing test cases. Thanks everyone.